The first flower that bloom is wilted already. So were there people fishing, anak? Oh. My youngest son, he went fishing today at Guana State Park where we went crabbing last weekend. He catch fish, but they are not legal size fish. And that's the old fisherman. Look, Daddy, oh, my plumeria is doing good here in the corner. This is my plumeria here, guys, in the side of the back of the house. I have another one in here. Look, guys, they're big now, they're pretty. Yep, they're big. I planted this like 3 or 4 years ago. Pretty. It's past 9 o'clock at night, guys. And it's already night. It's humid. Kind of humid today. I was planning to sit down here today when I came home from work, guys. But I was sitting on the couch, I full sleep. Because I did not sleep that much last night. I fall asleep. I took a nap. And now I'm wide awake. And it's almost 9 o'clock. No, past 9 o'clock. And my youngest son, he just came home from fishing. And look. Just came home from fishing, but he did not bring any fish home. The fish are not legal. Yeah, guys, over here they have a limit on the fish, on how big you can catch. Because if you keep them and they are not legal and they catch you, you're gonna pay a big fine. So you have to throw it back on the water if they are not the legal size. Like Sunday, we went fishing and crabbing. They were catching fish, but they were too small. So they have to throw it back. That's the law. Did the engine run good enough?
It's an electric motor, dude.
Oh, I forgot that you charged the engine.
Sure.
The engine of this kayak, guys, is electric engine. I did not know it was an electric engine. So how many hours you can use that engine? Anyway, guys, I gonna go inside. I feel the mosquito is biting me.